What would it look like to venture into the unknown? To literally travel to the ends of the earth. With skateboards and surfboards in our hands, and the dream of using those as tools to impact the lives of kids all around the world, the vision for Ride Nature was born. The heartbeat of the organization has always been for the least, the last, and the lost. And it's pretty incredible to see how it's grown since it was founded in 2009. We exist to see leaders multiplied globally and a movement ignited that will change the world. This isn't a story of Ride Nature, but rather the testimonies of the lives that have been impacted along the way. We would love to invite you to embark on this journey with us as we travel to the ends.